In the village of Nmirinma, a powerful goddess who blessed the land, disguises herself as a mortal to experience the daily lives of the villagers. Under the guise of an ordinary woman named Nneka, she witnesses the cruel treatment of foreigners who come seeking refuge. As Nneka, she befriends Ikenna, a compassionate villager who questions the customs but lacks the courage to act. Their bond grows as Nmirinma tries to inspire change, leading to conflict with the village chief, Eze Obi, who enforces harsh rules against outsiders. Nneka and Ikenna grow closer. They begin helping foreigners in secret, offering shelter and food to those in need. However, their actions do not go unnoticed. Eze Obi grows suspicious and sends his guards to keep an eye on Nneka. The tension rises when a group of refugees arrives, seeking asylum from a neighboring conflict. Ikenna persuades Nneka to shelter them despite the risk. During a public gathering, Eze Obi confronts Nneka and the refugees, accusing her of defying village laws. The villagers, fearful of breaking tradition, side with Eze Obi, while Ikenna defends Nneka, challenging the chief's authority. Just as punishment is about to be carried out, Nneka reveals her true identity as Nmirinma. She unleashes a surge of divine power, forcing the villagers to witness the suffering of those they've wronged. In the end, Nmirinma's revelation transforms Ada. The villagers, moved by the goddess's intervention, begin to change their ways. Eze Obi, shamed and stripped of his authority, is exiled from the village. Ikenna becomes a respected leader, helping to establish new laws that honor compassion and hospitality. Nmirinma, having completed her mission, returns to the spirit world, but her legend lives on, forever inspiring Ada to uphold justice. As Nneka reveals her true form as Nmirinma, the air crackles with energy, and a radiant light surrounds her. The villagers fall silent, eyes wide with a mixture of awe and fear. Eze Obi stumbles back, his confident demeanor shattered. Nmirinma speaks, her voice echoing like thunder. "I bless this land, yet you have twisted my gifts into tools of cruelty. Now see what your actions have wrought." She raises her hand, and visions of suffering foreigners, hungry, beaten, and afraid, appear before the villagers. The people cry out in shame and despair, and Eze Obi drops to his knees, trembling. Ikenna steps forward, addressing the crowd. "We must change. If not for our sake, then for the future of Ada. The goddess has shown us the way." With a wave of her hand, Nmirinma dissipates the visions. Her form begins to fade, but her final words linger. "Treat all who come to Ada as you would family. My blessings will return when compassion reigns." The light dims and Nmirinma disappears, leaving behind a transformed village. The people begin to gather around Ikenna, seeking guidance as they prepare to forge a new path. Eze Obi, stripped of his authority, is led out of the village, and Ada embarks on a journey of healing and change.